Oh my gosh. Here we go, guys. The brand new Apple Watch Series 4. What's good, guys? It's your boy Anthony here, back at it with another awesome video. So guys, today is a super exciting day. We are unboxing the Apple Watch Series 4 1 month later. Oh my gosh, guys. I am so excited. This is the space gray aluminum watch with a black sports band. With any Apple Watch, you can always buy more bands. If you want to get an Apple Watch with cellular, it's $100 more plus a $10 monthly fee. The main features that you use cellular for is making phone calls and texting without your iPhone. Keep in mind that you can use both these features if you have your iPhone with you. Alright guys, now it's time for the most exciting part yet. Let's get into this unboxing. Here we go, guys. Right here, we are peeling off the back of the tape. This year, they actually include this really nice pull tab, so that's super cool. Oh my gosh, guys. It's so awesome to open something new. Something especially that's Apple. It's so cool. Alright guys, now we're tearing off the plastic right here. Alright guys, so here we are. We have the box all opened up. The Apple Watch box. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Alright, so actually Apple included a really new system this year. It's actually using pull tabs, which is really different. So to open it up, guys, you just take this, you pull it up, and then you pull this up. Alright, here we go. We're gonna do the second one. Boom! Oh, now this is for the really exciting part. Here we go, guys. Oh my gosh. It's a box within a box!
It's a box within a box!
Alright, we're gonna say this side. Look at this artwork on here, guys! That is super cool, right? Look at that. I think these are like all the different Apple Watches, or all the ones with different bands. That's super cool. Alright, let's put that aside. Right here we have the band, and we have the watch itself. I think I'm gonna open up the watch itself, because that feels like just so much more fun. The box is really cool. That's one thing I've always loved about Apple. It's super clean, super sleek. Oh my gosh. Here we go, right guys? Right here, we got the paperwork saying designed by Apple in California. We don't need that. That's just normal stuff. Here is the Apple Watch Series 4. Included, we have the standard Apple charging brick, the Apple Watch charging cable, and this is really cool too. This year, Apple put the Apple Watch, they put it inside this protective little case, and that's just super amazing. It'll actually be really good for cleaning your Apple Watch. Alright, here we go, guys. I'm literally shaking, like, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Here we go, guys. The brand new Apple Watch Series 4. Check it out right there. Oh my gosh, guys, that's so beautiful. Alright, here we go. There's nothing else in there. Here's the band. This is the black sports band. Like I said, you can always get new bands. Apple Watch Series 4 actually comes in two different sizes, the 40mm and the 44mm. This one is the 44mm because I feel like having a larger screen is always nicer. I think the coolest feature they did this year, though, is they actually made the screen larger and they rounded it. So actually the screen is a lot larger. When we power it up, we can definitely see that. Alright guys, so now we're opening up the black sports band. This is just so cool. I feel like Apple does a great job packing all this stuff. Some more really cool artwork right there, so you guys can see. Alright, so we have two different sizes of the band. We have the smaller band right here, and we have the large band. Of course, for me, the smaller band works a lot better. Alright guys, so now that I got the band out, let's set that aside. I love that actually Apple includes both sizes for, you know, people with different sizes. That's super cool. Look at that, guys. The Apple Watch is now powering on. We got the band on. It's pairing. Your Apple Watch is paired. Guys, we literally just got it all set up. Oh my gosh, check this out, guys. Check this out. Look at that. So now we go into the setup of the Apple Watch.
1 hour later.
Oh my gosh, guys. Just like that, the watch is all set up. Here in the phone it says, welcome to the Apple Watch app. Guys, oh my god. Over here, guys, you guys can actually see the speakers. This year, they made the speakers 50% louder. That's really awesome. The Apple Watch also has a brand new heart rate monitor and just a bunch of awesome health features. If you're really big into health, this is actually a great watch. Sometime for the next week, I'll be doing a health video with this watch, testing out some of its different features. And if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you guys do that. Turn those notifications on so you guys don't miss out on that video. My first impressions of an Apple Watch is just super cool. The Apple Watch Series 4 is a great Christmas gift, but is selling out everywhere. If you guys want to get one, they're linked in the description, and make sure you guys do it now because they are literally selling out for the Christmas season. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is probably one of the coolest videos I've done yet. The Apple Watch Series 4 is an amazing device. I love it just so much. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace!